Hello there, Professor Pete here, creator of the Gold Call Script Builder Kit, coming to you live with more of the continuing adventures of Gold Calling, where we call up sales prospects and try to get meetings booked to our calendar inside of a 4-minute phone call. My Gold Call script serves as a catalyst for conversation. It is the actionable dialogue that turns on the attention of my sales prospects, making it easier for me to land a new sales meeting with my prospect inside of a 4-minute phone call. You could be doing the very same thing yourself with the help of the Gold Call Script Builder Kit. The Script Builder Kit helps you build and speak the actionable catalyst dialogue that turns on the attention button of your sales prospects so that they're more likely to engage you in two-way conversations that lead to a new closed sales meeting on your calendar inside of a 4-minute phone call, all without experiencing the typical stress and anxiety and pressure associated with cold calling. Sound interesting? Have a look at some of the content that I posted here below and see if the Gold Call Script Builder Kit is right for you. If it is, I hope to have you in our next class. But until then, this is Professor Pete saying so long for now, and until our paths cross again, happy hunting.